Hi guys, and you are welcome to another video. And today I'm actually doing something very important from my previous video, and that's signing my new contract from FundedNext. Like I said all the time, I've passed the challenge, which is the FundedNext for sure challenge, the $50,000 challenge. So you have to, on the 50,000, you have to make $3,000 for you to pass the challenge, and after that you can get your funded account, which I from my previous video I showed you what I traded, how I passed it, and now this is 4 a.m. UK time. So I've just checked my email and I can see that the email just dropped. So if I open the email now, you can see, let me open the first one, which is from FundedNext. You can see, dear Kehinde Olaleye, congratulations on achieving a recognition as a rising star. Anytime you pass a challenge, you're going to get something like this, where they will send you a certificate as being a rising star. So if I go back and open the second one, so the second one is your agreement, and you can see from the subject line, you have not passed the challenge, sign your agreement now. So you can see all that, and click here to proceed on your dashboard. So instead of clicking there, I'll just go to FundedNext website, and I'm gonna log in. I need to put in my multi-factor authenticator. And voila. Yeah, so now you can see CFD features. Click on features and active account. Right now it's showing you have no active account, and that's because I've passed the main one, the 50,000 account. So now before I can see I can get a new account, I have to fill the agreement, which I'm going to do now. So click on inactive account, then go to dashboard. From there you can see from the top, click here to submit your agreement form. I'm going to click on that and just scroll the agreement. I've read it multiple times, so I click on you agree and sign your name, your full address, and submit. And it will take a while and it will go to the other page. Yes, you can see, well done, the agreement has been signed. So now if I go back to accounts and go to features, you can see I now have a new account. If I click on that to open the dashboard, you can see a fresh account now. So initial balance 50,000, and on this account I have some trading objective I have to stick to. So one is the daily loss limit, and I think the daily loss limit you can have on this account is $1,000, but the maximum limit is 2,000, which means if you lose 2,000 on this account, you're going to blow the account. So I need to be careful when trading. Before I can withdraw any profit from this account, I have to trade for minimum 5 days. And you can see every day, to qualify for the benchmark days, I have to make at least $500. I have to make at least $500 on this account. So that will calculate the current cycle profit. And you can see from the withdrawable account, right now is $0. So I will try my best to actually make sure I make profit on this account, that I don't blow it, and I can withdraw some money from this account. So sticking to my rules, sticking to my trading strategy, and also just being diligent and not greedy. That's the point of it. If I go to trading view now, I need to connect the account. So that will sign me, and you can see very fresh 50,000 account, 50,000. And you can see the screen here. Yeah. We can see what is going on here. This is 4 hours. If I go to 1 hour, I can simply see that something is going on. Though this signal you can see on the dashboard saying short, long, short. I built it in order to also help my strategy, but I don't rely on using signal every time. I always go by my strategy by using the RSI, using all these lines you're seeing on it, and also plotting my graph is what I really do in order to make sure my strategy is 100% real and I can quickly grab something from the market, and I don't give money back to the market when I make it. So let's say my plan is to make $1,000 a day now, so that would be $20,000 in a month, which is possible. So you just need to stick to your rules. You just need to follow your strategy and make sure you're not greedy, because sometimes when you make money, that spirit just come over you, whereby you just feel like, oh, you're making this money, can make more. It's not like that. If you make 500, which is the cycle profit, you can stop trading that day and wait for the second day. Just if you make 500 first day, 500 second day, third day, fourth and fifth day, that's $2,500. So which you can withdraw. So when you're making money, make sure you are sticking to your profit. Don't give it back to the market. Don't get greedy. Future is actually very good because you can make a lot of money, and also you have to be careful because you can also lose your money. So, and when I'm talking of losing your money, you are not actually losing a lot of money. You are only losing the money that you used to buy the account. This is a 50,000 account which I bought for, like, if I want to convert it to pounds, it's like 100 pounds. So you pay 100 pounds, you get a 50,000 evaluation account, and you have to pass that challenge. And once you pass, it's a one-step challenge. Once you pass it, then you can start trading on a funded account, which then you can withdraw when you make any profit. So I can see what the market is doing now. It's just going sideways now. So if I want to trade this, I need to be careful. So, and this trading right now, I'm not so sure about it. I'll just leave it for now and come back to the market when it's actually moving. When I know that, okay, the volume, there's volume in the market. You can see here, right here, there are volumes here, volumes here, volumes here. But right now, everything seems very dead. So I don't want to do anything because you can easily lose all your money. So I'm going to be careful trading out, or I'll just go back to bed now, wake up in the morning and see what the market is saying. I don't want to force the market to show me something. I want the market to naturally show me if I can trade or not. So, and that's what I'm going to do. So thank you guys for watching. This is my second video on this channel on trading. So it's going to be getting a lot of videos. And also if you want to follow me on this journey from zero to a millionaire trader, so click on subscribe button, click on like, and also try to comment, because I want us to do this together. I want us to get rich together. Follow my journey. You can also replicate it while you are trading as well. And as I go on this journey, I'll also make a masterclass video whereby I will teach you my strategy, how I'm actually trading, and what I'm trading, how you can do that as well. So we're gonna do this a lot together. So click on like button, comment below if you started trading futures as well. Yeah, comment below and how your strategy is going. Are you sticking to your strategy or are you getting greedy? So let's see how we can work together and make this thing a big thing. So I will see you on the next one. I remain myself K, and this is K Trades. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.